The 2026 Ferrari Amalfi has been revealed as the replacement for the Roma, which is the brand's entry-level offering. Named for a gorgeous stretch of Italian coastline in the province of Salerno, the Amalfi is instantly recognizable as a Roma derivative, despite its more sculpted and modern form. The Amalfi's body has also clearly been designed for aerodynamics, with a new large front splitter accompanied by new air intakes above the headlights. Beneath the skin, you'll find a redesigned floor, side skirts, a rear diffuser, and a pop-up rear spoiler that can generate up to 110 kilograms of downforce. At first glance, the Amalfi's interior looks like a two-seater because the rear seats are black. On the topic of displays, there's a 15.6-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch infotainment system, and an 8.8-inch front passenger display. The center console is milled from a block of anodized aluminum and features a gear selector gate, a key slot, and a wireless charging pad. The new steering wheel design features physical buttons to replace the former haptic touch switches. Like the Roma before it, the Amalfi is front mid-engined by its twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8, producing 631 horsepower and 760 newton-meters of torque. That's an increase of 20 horsepower over the Roma, and it enables acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Ferrari's engineers have also refined the Roma's driving dynamics in the Amalfi, fitting new springs and dampers, larger carbon ceramic brakes, and a brake-by-wire system for sharper response and control. With a base price of €240,000, the Amalfi goes on sale in Europe at the beginning of 2026, with US deliveries soon thereafter.